Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Irfan here with smartincubator.com and welcome to another live trading session. Now is 8:42 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so the market is opening in 45 minutes. New York Stock Exchange market is opening in almost 45 minutes. Now I'm starting with GBPUSD on a 5-minute time frame. It's been crazy, guys. Look at this beautiful setup that happened almost 2 hours ago. Look at this beautiful order block. High probability order block. It actually dropped significantly. The price came back to this zone. Bearish engulfing candle. Boom. Look at this. Look at this. That would be awesome. Like, this is the sweetest setup that you can ever take in your trading journey, guys. It's super cool. If you could take it from here to here, that would be awesome. Okay, so GBPUSD right now, it's super weird, right? It's just going up with no correction, no proper order block, and also the direction is not really clear. This is a 5-minute time frame, guys. So for 15-minute time frame, I can see this one here, but this is a low probability order block because of this. This is kind of invalid as well, so I can't really count on it for 30 minutes. Yeah, even for 30 minutes I can't really say what's going on here. Look at this gap here, guys. Look at this gap. This is what needs to be filled in. So, and here the market is trying to create higher highs and higher lows. Look at this head and shoulder here. See, the market is trying to create higher highs and higher lows to kind of reach this level and fill in all these leftover gaps. And I think this is what it wants to do. So we're going to see how the market reacts, how the price reacts. But we don't have any order block in a 5-minute time frame. As I said, this is kind of invalid. So even if you go to 15-minute time frame, it's kind of invalid. So I'm going to just hold off it for a second and quickly go for EURUSD and NAS100 and gold to see what's going on over there. Okay, so this is a 15-minute time frame for EURUSD, guys. Look at this beautiful breakout structure here. We have a breakout structure here, and it's crazy. So this breakout structure means that the market is trying to change the direction of the market. Like, it's bearish, definitely bearish, because of these strong breakout structures that just happened. And if I want to look for a really good order block, that would be like this one right here, for example. This is one of the order blocks that we have. Like right now we had a gap, we have this, and then we have that. So it means that if you take your position somewhere around here, I'm in the position right now because we have a high probability order block, guys. We have this high probability order block, this high probability order block right here. We have this huge gap here that makes it a high probability order block. Look at this. So that's why when I see this strong rejection with this candle, I just decided to get in. And then I'm going to leave a runner probably. See, I'm inside my position in my FDMO account, but we have liquidity right here. So this liquidity might be grabbed later, or you can leave a runner if you want, or you can close a one-to-one trade. So if you want to close a one-to-one trade, I highly recommend you to do that, and then leave the second one here. And then when the first one got smashed, move the stop loss to the break even for the second one. But you know what? I'm going to just take this one as well and wait for. Let me see if we have any other order blocks that is not. Okay, so we have this one here that is still not touched. We have, yeah, so far so good. That's it. That's why I want to just close one-to-one, because guys, we have this order block as well. That is still not tapped into. So I'm probably closing my trade one-to-one somewhere around here. I don't know. I still don't know. We'll see how the market reacts, and then I can take it. Well, I kind of took my second. So the robot is trading as well. We gained really good profits, guys. Look at this. It keeps closing in profits, guys. Everything's green. That's really good, guys. This is a bot that is trading for me. And yeah, I'm just going back to here to see what's gonna happen later. I have my stop loss and everything for EURUSD. Right now we are in a position, so I'm not really worried about anything because of this strong momentum and everything. Let's go to NAS100 to see what we have here. I was trading on a 15-minute time frame, guys. On a 15-minute time frame. Let me show you the 5 minutes. See how it looks here. Yep. See, you can't really see that. Like, you can't really see the order block, which is a high probability order block, guys. Do you agree with that? Like, if you want to look at this, it's not a high probability order block, not at all, because of this shadow here, and then the next candle literally opened inside the order block, right? So it means that this is not a high probability order block, and it's the TP is smashed. The TP is smashed. It's just a little bit left, and I can close it right here because this is already 1-on-1. Okay, so the first TP just got smashed, literally. The first one, and it was a very small win. I'm waiting for the second one, and then I can move my stop loss to break even. Not now, but it's kind of close to that. Let me just put it here, and then this one to here, because we have a really strong, not as strong, but we have so much liquidity around here that needs to be grabbed. So that's why this is a very important one. And this order block I showed you. Okay, so I'm not really worried about anything, guys. I'm just literally, moving my stop loss here or even here, and everything is good. 1 minute, let's go. Yeah, I took it somewhere here. If I could take it here, I took it here, but I re-entered the second one a little bit below. And let me show you. Okay, and if I get it stopped out, I don't care. It's a very small loss. I don't really care. And this is what we have. You got to be careful about this trend line, guys. You got to be careful about this trend line, because I just literally moved my stop loss to break even. So don't worry about anything, guys. If I get it stopped out, I don't care. I took my 1-to-1 trade like in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes. And we have our 50%, 60%. So let me show you where we have our golden zone. It's here and here. After you draw the Fibonacci. Okay. Yep. Oh, sorry. 50% and 60%. Okay. Here we are. I might do a little correction up to here, but I'm not gonna hold it, guys. As I said, I'm not going to hold it. So it is what it is. On break even, and then I'm done. Done. Because we took a trade. Don't get greedy. Just be happy with it, because we have this sort of like here. But as I said, there's a high chance it gets here after doing a little bit of correction. It's literally a risk-free trade right now. I took my 1-to-1, guys. As I said, the power of order blocks. Don't you believe in it? Don't you believe in it, guys? The first TP got smashed literally right here. I got it here, in front of you. In front of you. I got it here. Put my stop loss here. And put my TP right here. 1-to-1. Beautiful setup. Now I'm leaving the second one because I feel like that this liquidity needs to be grabbed. If it doesn't, who cares? This is a risk-free trade, and you can literally enjoy it. Okay, so let's go to Fibonacci. So this is a 50% zone. As I said, it might come back. Let's see what we have right here, guys. I'm gonna get rid of this one because it's not high probability. No, this is already tapped into, so this is not high probability at all. Yeah, I'm just gonna, I'm just going to leave it in a break even. I'm going to leave it at break even. We have this 50% here, so if it wants to like kind of do a little correction, it might do it from here to here, but who knows, sometimes it hits the 70%. I'm not gonna wait for that. It's either going to get to my break even, or it's gonna get to my TP right here. So this is the first one that got smashed, guys. The second one that I want to show you is started from here. Okay, this is break even, guys. That's totally fine. We took a one-to-one trade. This is what I'm aiming for every day. That's why I didn't care about that, and I probably re-enter my trade in a better entry point. That was kind of late, but I took my profit and now I'm out. So I'm gonna wait for this correction, as I said, from here to here based on Fibonacci. And I need to kind of, I need to adjust my Fibonacci level. I need to adjust my Fibonacci level because I feel like that I need more numbers. So probably 60% is, no, sorry, yeah, 0.618. Okay, yep, exactly. See, guys, this is our golden zone from here to here, and this is our 70%. Wow, it's literally blasting into everything. That's why I'm saying, guys, don't get greedy. One-to-one, close it, done for the day. I want to see what happens because it's a good one. It's a really good one. It's a nice rejection. And if you look, oh, this is not an order block. Okay, I'm not gonna trade based on 1 minute anymore, guys. I have a video for that, why you can easily get it stopped out if you're trading based on 1 minute time frame. And look at this 15-minute, guys. It's super choppy. And this one, this is a red candle. That's what I'm saying. This was a really good order block. That's why I closed it and didn't leave a runner. See this rejection, and then it's probably going to, this is invalid. It's probably going to here because of this order block here. And if I set my alarm, there's a high chance that if it gets closed right here, there's a high chance that the market is trying to reach this level. So you gotta be careful, guys. You have this candle here, which is a strong. You have this candle here, and then I'm going to, if I want to take a buy position, I'm not gonna get it right now because of this bearish, super bearish trend. I take it after it breaks this high. So I make sure that everything is going to be bullish and we have higher highs and higher lows. So you already got a you already took your profit, guys. Don't get greedy. Even though this is a really good momentum, this is a really good order block, just forget it. You need to follow the rules. If you couldn't take like the second one, just don't forget about it. Like, don't worry about it. You gotta wait for this high to get broken first because of this trend. It's a massively bearish trend, so you need to wait for that. Okay, let's go to 1 minute again and see what happens here. Okay, so I'm going to delete the 50 and 60% lines because they didn't get respected. We have the 70% line here, but you know what? I'm not really sure about that because I can guess that it's going to try to reach this level. See, this is a huge gap here. That's why I love 15 minutes, not even 30 minutes, because 30 minutes doesn't show you that much. But if you want to look at the 30-minute one, we have this order block here, this order block right here. It's a high probability order block because of this huge drop and then gap. There's a gap here, so this is a high probability order block. And I'm going to say that 30 minutes high probability order block. Here I'm gonna say 50 minutes high probability order block, and let's see how it reacts. So 50 minutes and 30 minutes. Okay, but guys, if you think about it, I drew my Fibonacci one more time to make sure this 60% is never broken. It's just a shadow, right? That means it still could be potential. It just broke the 50% in 5 minutes. That's what I'm saying. Don't look at 1 minute. 1 minute is super choppy. Look at the 5 minute one, or 50 minutes. 50 minutes for major moves, 5 minutes for sniper entries, and this is exactly what we did like a couple of minutes ago. And it I don't know, it depends on this momentum here, because I feel like this needs to be grabbed, especially right now. It's 9 a.m. And the market is opening 30 minutes, so the fluctuation is going to be a little bit different. But let's see. I'm not gonna wait for this. Let's go to NAS100. Let's see what we have right here. NASI. Okay, so NAS100 also have a bearish momentum, like it's a bearish trend. As you can see here, it's definitely a bearish trend. I'm trying to look for any potential, high probability order blocks that we have, which can help us. None of them are high probability order blocks. Even this one is not. Let's go to my T 15 minutes time frame to see if you have anything right here. No high probability order block, guys. Nothing. No high probability order block. Everything is already taken. That's why what I'm thinking about is this one here. See this break of a structure here? It's not a, it's we could call it a break of a structure because it's broken into. See, it's kind of broken into, like very little, but mostly shadow. So it means that the liquidity around here is already grabbed, and there's a high chance that the market is trying to change its direction to get back to here, that we have this or liquidity here and here. So it means we gotta be careful with these zones here. Okay, we gotta be careful. And what we can do is just to wait and see what happens. But we are trying to get some higher highs and higher lows. But as I said, based on gaps, I'm not able to see anything, guys. I'm not able to see anything, to be honest with you. But this liquidity is already grabbed, so it means there is a potential for that. Okay, so this is for NAS100. Let's go to GBPUSD. GBPUSD, as I said, it's not really potential. It's been 5 minutes. Like, we have this consolidation here, this momentum here, and this order block is a very low probability order block. But I like this momentum, guys. Look at this. Look at this tree. Look at this one. Right, 1, 2, 3. These are really good ones. These are really good momentums, but they're doji. They're like, they don't know what they're doing. It's an indecisive candle. But we have this. See, after this liquidity grab, it just went up. It just shot up. And we have this. We don't have this one anymore because it's already grabbed by this area. We have this order liquidity needs to be grabbed. We have this one that needs to be grabbed, and this one that needs to be grabbed. And right now we are in New York session, so we have London session highs, 2 London session highs, and 1 London session lows that needs to be grabbed. Okay, well, let's see what happens in 15 minutes. I can take my trade here and put my stop loss here, my TP somewhere around here, or I can leave a runner for my liquidity because there's no order block here that I can take. I mean, there is, but I assume that it's going to kind of grab all the liquidity. Let's see what happens. This is a really good one. I'm going to put a horizontal ray, and then I turn on my alarm, and then let's go to gold. Let's go to gold. Let's see what we have here, guys. Before that, let's go to EURUSD. I want to see what's going on. Oh, EURUSD is going crazy. See, guys? It's getting respected. Okay. I just opened my second position here, guys. I don't know if I get a stopped out. It's a very small loss, and I feel like that this liquidity grab is a really good one that needs to be grabbed. And because of this Fibonacci level, where is that? Because of this Fibonacci level here. No, it wasn't right here. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that was the one. Because of this, I feel like that this is a really potential one, guys. Because I tried to reach this level, like 70%, it dropped significantly. Now it's in the same level at this as this one, but in a 1 minute, we have this order block here that can be respected. It's a high probability order block. Or otherwise, I just close my trade right here. I'm in position right now, guys, as you can see. Okay, see, this order block, it didn't break it. It literally didn't break it. This is a high probability one, guys. This is a high probability one, but you know, who knows? It probably breaks it right now and stop me out. Very small loss, guys, compared to what I took as a profit. Profit is a very small loss. I don't care. It was a good one. I'm still in profit. I just wanted to test it to see what's going on here. I don't recommend you doing that. If you want to do it, go for 0.01. I wanted to see how it reacts based on a 1 minute time frame. But yeah, that's it. I'm okay with that. I took my profit from here to here. Let me show you. I took my profit from EURUSD. Yeah, from here to here, 1 to 1. Absolutely enough. Done for the day. Let's go back to the other things, guys. I'm going to analyze gold if you want, but I'm not going to trade it because I'm done. So gold, we have this high, the swing high here with this liquidity here and this liquidity right here. These are still not grabbed, okay? And gold has been choppy for a while. So even if I want to look for a high probability order block, it's not really easy to find it because there's so many shadows, you know, it's so messy, and the trend is not clear. See, guys, the trend is not really that clear. That's why it's really not recommended to kind of trade gold in the long term because of this big picture that you can see here. I'm always doing it every single day that I have a live trading session. When I go to gold charts, I see this chart, and then I draw this rectangle and I show you guys this is fluctuating. You gotta be careful with that. And yeah, I mean, nothing to say about it. Just need to grab the liquidity here and then we'll see what happens here. But right now it's not, we don't have a clear momentum. Even the Fibonacci from here to here, it's not really helpful. I don't like it because there's no clear order block that we have. Not in 1 minute, sorry, not in 30 minutes, not in 50 minutes, not even in 1 hour. I mean, we do, it's a low probability order block. See, it's a very low probability order block, but it's very choppy. Look at these shadows here, guys. Look at these shadows. I don't like that. So that's it for today's video, guys. We took a profit and we took a very small loss in EURUSD. As I said, when you take your profit, you are done for the day. You don't have to take the another position. The second position that I went for was super small, like super small, and I didn't care if I get stopped out. But we took a profit in front of each other from here to here. And then after that, it probably just, you know, breaks into this line and takes grabs all the liquidity. But yeah, if you have any question, drop your comment here, and I hope that you have a profitable day, and see you next day.